Looking good and feeling good. Come on, let's open these.
Lemons? Really? What am I supposed to do with these?
Whoa, I got a pyramid of sugar cubes. So sweet.
Oh, I can't eat this. But I have an even better idea. I'll squeeze the juice into this glass.
Are you allowed to do that?
I'm rich. I can do what I want. This is the latest style in Paris. What do you think?
An alien!
I dropped my sugar cube. Ha! That's so funny. My drink is almost ready. I just need to garnish it. It must have gold, obviously. I only like the best. What's that?
This is perfect.
This lemon needs a makeover.
All I have is a dirty sugar cube.
I can't forget the straw. And now I can relax.
How is it? Tasty?
It's so refreshing. And sour! Ugh!
Oops.
What is it? What happened to me?
Have my sugar. Take it. I mean it.
Ew! Stop it, please!
Give me that. I need to sweeten it up. This is much better. Try it.
Ew. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Wait, it worked. You're my hero.
Wow. Let's see what we've got.
Golden onions, wow!
That is a lot of garlic.
I suppose I better give it a try.
Yuck. I'll give it a bash. It's so tasty.
How can you eat that? Wow, that smells bad. Ugh, it stinks.
Oops. Go on, eat your onion.
I can't do it. It's so disgusting.
Stop being a baby. I'm having the best time. Oh no. Drink this. This is gross. Gotcha.
Lemon juice, really? Why would you do that?
Come on, let's open them.
Cheese? Are you kidding me?
Ew. Stinky cheese. I'm not eating this.
Why don't we swap? I love smelly cheese. Delicious. It's amazing.
This seems okay. But I have a plan.
I've got more yucky cheese.
She fell for it.
Gimme, gimme, gimme!
She's eating it.
I feel different. What is happening? Did you get it? Phew, what a relief. Did you do this?
Oops. Ooh, what's under here? Whoa, look at this. Wait, what is it? Huh? It's a potato! I'm not happy with this.
At least I got potato chips. Tasty. Quack, quack.
Fine, I'll eat it. That was a huge mistake. It tastes so bad.
Eek, flying potatoes.
Oops, did I do that?
Be more careful.
Ew. I'm trying my best. Wait. I know what to do. I'll plant it. I'm waiting, Mother Nature. Hey, it's growing! A potato chip plant!
Is that a real thing?
Yep, and it's all mine. I can't wait to try it! Nice and crunchy. I'm so happy right now. I want them all.
Ooh, free chips!
Wow!
I'll plant my own. It can't be that hard. Come on, grow! Any moment now. Hang on. That's not right.
You grew a potato? Oh, don't cry.
You can have these chips. You mean it?
Aww.
That's so kind.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Don't touch it. Ramen? I don't think so.
I got a cauliflower.
What do I do now? Why do you keep trying to touch my things?
You don't need to be mean.
I'll use this bowl.
You carry that around?
Check this out.
It'll need the spices.
And I'll need water.
In it goes. I want to see how this turns out.
Now I'll wait.
I'm pretty jealous. I'll give it a try. That's nasty. This is my chance. I'll need a distraction.
Oh, I dropped my bag.
This can go into the ramen. The perfect crime.
I think it's ramen time. I don't remember this.
Surprise.
Give me that. I'll show you.
Ouch! Hey, quit it!
Don't mess with my things.
Whatever.
Oh, what's in here?
Hands off! A cupcake. Wow! It's your turn.
Wow. Now that's what you call a cake. Are you seeing this?
Oh, come on. That doesn't seem fair. I'm still going to enjoy this.
Creamy.
I don't need a big cake.
That wasn't very nice. I'll show you. A wriggly worm. It's the perfect topping.
This is so good.
Whoa, she actually ate it.
I don't remember my cake moving. Huh? Why are you laughing?
You just ate a worm.
I did what?
Blah!
That is so gross. Yuck, it's still moving.
Ha, I got you.
So it's like that, huh? You're in big trouble, buddy. Enjoy your cake. Go on, eat it.
Why would you do that?
Uh-oh, this isn't good. Oh, no, you don't. Two can play that game.
You're ruining my cake.
That's delicious. Have some.
Wow, I really like that.
Look at us go.
Never mind that. Food. That's all I get? A tiny cup of noodles? I'll give it a try. It's okay, I suppose. Actually, it's pretty good. It's fun to eat. Yeah, I'm a noodle lover now.
It's my go! Whoa, look at that. Jumbo noodles. Take a look at this.
But... Whatever. These are still good.
There's so many. How am I going to eat all of this? I better get started. Delicious. In they go. I'll cram them all in.
This is one long noodle. Huh? I finished them. I'm so disappointed.
What's the problem? Stop crying!
My cup is empty.
Oh, that's a shame. I know what to do.
What are you doing? You can take it easy. I've got this.
What just happened? I meant we could share them. Yum, yum.
Nom nom nom.
Slurp.
This is perfect.
Tell me about it, huh? Awkward!
Whoa, we almost kissed. How's my breath?
I shouldn't... Should I?
Hey, you!
Ready to do this?
You know it.
Nailed it! Let's open them. Bubblegum. Nice! Pretty good, huh? I can't wait to try it. What the?
I have to eat this?
Hey, rules are rules. So much flavor. It's so chewy. My jaw is starting to hurt. Phew, this is hard work. But it's still tasty.
Okay, here I go. It's huge. Chomp, chomp. So tasty. This might take a while.
How's it going? Whoa! I don't believe it.
I know, it's impressive.
Do I have gum on my face? Nope, nothing there. I'll just grab more. Oh, I'm all out. Hey! Give me the gum.
What is it?
Go on, please.
No.
We'll see about that. Hang on.
Nope, it's not happening.
You bit me. Yikes, you're scary. Take it easy.
Whoa, I ate it all. I'm going to blow a bubble. Whoa, it's a giant bubble.
It's time for some payback.
No, my beautiful bubble. It's gone, gone. It's a cruel, cruel world.
Things got a little messy. I better act innocent.
Check out these moves.
It's showtime. It's a giant eyeball.
That is so weird. I got nothing.
I'm gonna eat it. It's so big. I have an idea. I see you!
Eek! Stop it!
It's just a prank. It's so squishy. Yummy.
Please don't do that.
You're just jealous. I'm gonna take a bite. Munch, munch. It's so good.
I'm going to throw up.
Get in my mouth! It won't fit!
This is so bad! What, another eye?
That was amazing. Oops, excuse me.
It came out of my mouth.
That doesn't seem normal.
What do I do? I'll eat it!
Phew, that was crazy. Something's missing.
Where's the food? Popcorn! Sweet, yummy popcorn. This is my lucky day.
Are you kidding me? It's kind of small. Why did this have to happen?
It's plain. That's boring. But I know how to make it tastier. I need some help! Unicorns make everything better. Woohoo! A rainbow.
You don't see that every day.
Wow, it worked. It's so colorful. And it tastes great. I want it all. I love it. Gimme, gimme, gimme! I'm so happy right now.
Hey, keep it coming. I don't believe it.
I enjoyed every single bite. I could do that again.
You look so weird.
Huh? What are you talking about? Eek! What happened to my hair?
That was one mouth-watering challenge. We hope you liked it. Remember to like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!